Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now. In one of those lucid dreams.
Hey guys, what's up? How you guys doing? So I had a very long day today. I filmed a couple of videos for the first time in a while, like sit down videos. I filmed like 2 sit down videos today. Yeah, anyways, I'm heading out right now. I need to go and sort out my nails because I have been doing so much housework in the last 2 weeks plus. My fingers look horrible, so I need to go and get my nails done. This is past 4 p.m. I know I'm going late, but man, today has just been crazy. And I know that tomorrow being Saturday, I wouldn't want to step out of this house. So yeah. Anyways, let's go. Let me go get my nails done. Nails on fleek. Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is Saturday, so it is Saturday, almost 4 p.m. and I'm just about driving out. I'm going to look for water bottle for Mia. She needs a new water bottle for school, and school resumes in 2 days. So I'm going to Gariki Market to find, because I feel like the market around my area will not really have what I'm looking for. So I'm going to Gariki Market. She also needs new earrings, and the particular person I buy her earrings from is in Gariki Market as well. So I'm heading there. I also have my wristwatches to repair, a bit to change batteries. So it's almost like a day to just do so many small things in one place. Do you get? Oh, I love this, my short red nails I did yesterday, guys. I love them so much because they're just short but cute. I mean, red, you can never go wrong with red. So yeah, I absolutely love this. So pretty, and I'm still able to do a lot of stuff with it because it's just like having, you know, regular fingernails, but just that my fingernails never grew this long because I always bite them. Anyways, let's go.
Wanna be with you, do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need, you're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want, you're the one that I need.
So guys, I came out of the market and I also came to H Medics as well to pick up a few things. So I bought a random water bottle in the market. I just figured I wouldn't find much in the market when it comes to kiddies water bottles. They're always like plastic stuff with straws and all. But the thing is that each time you buy me a Rose those bottles that have straws, she ends up biting off the straw, biting and biting and biting it to the point where she can't sip from that bottle again. So when I saw this bottle in the market, I was like, okay, let me just buy this one. It's plastic, but the top is also plastic, so she can't bite this because it's like really plastic. There's a straw, perfect for her to use and everything. So I got this for like 1.5 in the market, and then I get to H Medics and I see the cutest water bottle that I know that Mia would love. And I could have just said, oh, I've already bought a water bottle in the market, let me not buy. But knowing my child, I just had to buy it. I just saw Disney Mickey Mouse on it and I just figured, oh my god, what is in this? And then when I opened it, oh my god, I just said, Mia is going to love this bottle. And this is more appropriate for like school, in my opinion. So let me open. So that's what it looks like. It has Snow White on it. It's pink. It's just very 2-year-old girl appropriate. Okay. Oh, there's something inside, Seth. I don't know what they put inside. I don't know, a random card thing. But yeah, when I saw it, I was like, oh, I think Mia would love this. I was now regretting why I bought the other one for 1.5 in the market, and this was like 2,900 and something. This was close to 3,000 naira. But I had to just close my eye and buy it. I'm like, you know what, bad as it bad, she will use the both of them. Some days she will take this one, some days she will take the other one to school. So no wahala. I know that for some time I wouldn't. This woman, don't hit me. I know that for some time I will not buy water bottle for some time, so she will be alternating the two of them for school. Some days that one, some days this one, but knowing my child very well, she would definitely prefer, you know, this one. So yeah, anyway, that's what happens when you have kids. When you have kids, you cannot say no to buying. All these people that want to hit me today, I don't understand. Some are reversing, some are trying to parallel park, and they want to hit me in the process. Anyway, so that's that. I'm just going to look for something to eat. I haven't really eaten today like that, so I want to grab, I think there's a drumsticks around here. I'll just grab something to eat real quick and then head back home. Oh my god, I've spent a lot of money today.
In the morning, you got me up, all cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, this kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right, baby let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, right?
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Today is a good day. As you can tell, I am super duper excited about today, and that is because I'm about to announce the details to my first event. Okay, yes, just in case you are wondering what I'm talking about, maybe you haven't watched my previous videos this year, I'll be hosting my first meet and greet, my first hangout day, a day with Alma Ngur. I announced this on the very first video that I put out this year, and you guys have been in my DMs. Please post details. We want to secure our slots. We want to come. We want to. So finally, I am going to be putting out all the details here for you guys to see and know, and I'll be doing that also on my Instagram simultaneously, so that as this vlog is going up, the flyer is also going up on Instagram. So once again, this event will be tagged a day with Alma Ngur. This is the maiden edition, the very first edition, and I hope that we're able to do like subsequent editions as time goes on. But yes, I only plan to host 30 people, or rather 30/35 people. I'm trying to give room for 5 more people, so yeah, between 30 and 35. I think the first thing that we should talk about is the dates. So it's going to be in February 5th. All right, the first Saturday in February. Time will be 1 p.m. and guys, it's going to be amazing. I've been enjoying planning this event, to be honest. I have so many sponsors on board. It is ridiculous. It is absolutely ridiculous. For a first event, I didn't think that people would want to, you know, come out and support like that. Okay, but God has been amazing, and I have a couple of brands that are sponsoring this event. Okay, so first things first, like I said, it's going to be on the 5th of February here in Abuja. So if you are based in Abuja, you'd want to come for this. All right, trust me. It's only 30/35 slots that are open. It's going to be holding at Video Cafe in Maitama. Great ambience. We're going to have a 3-course meal. Yes, you heard me right, a 3-course meal: starter, main course, and desserts. See guys, you don't even know what's about to happen. Okay, so yes, we're going to have a 3-course meal. We're going to play games and win amazing prizes. I have some brands that are sponsoring prizes for people to win, so we're going to play a couple of games and win amazing prizes. We're going to have loaded goodie bags. When I mean loaded, I mean loaded, because we have so many brands sponsoring. In fact, let me let you in on the brands that are sponsoring this event with me. All right, so I have my flyer right here. Okay, I'm just going to read out the brand so that I don't miss anybody. We have BB Artistry, my girl BB Artistry, that styles me every now and again for events. In fact, the dress I wore in this flyer, BB Artistry was the one that made it, the all white dress. So BB Artistry is sponsoring a prize for a lucky winner, so you can be there and win one of the games and win an amazing outfit from BB Artistry. Isn't that amazing? Then we have Red Crates, my girl Amber. Red Crates, somebody is going to win, or somebody or 2 people are going to win hampers from Red Crates. Amazing stuff. And then we have Earth's Child. Earth's Child Lifestyle is an amazing organic brand that I love so much. They do lip balms, they do soaps, they do oils, like beautiful products. They're going to be giving us oils, they're going to be giving us soaps, balms, like amazing stuff in your goodie bags. All right, also my girl Ngur.ng is sponsoring. Somebody is going to be winning the Alma maxi dress, okay, at this event. Amazing. So I'm excited about that. Crystalina's Nigeria is also sponsoring. They are your favorite hub of like diffusers and candles and car scents and wardrobe scents. I've worked with them before, and they are also sponsoring with some items. Soybe Botanicals, my babe, my skincare plug. In case you have not tried out products from Soybe, now is your chance to, because there will be products from Soybe in the goodie bags. So I'm super duper excited for that. This event is also sponsored by Flawless Ivy. Flawless Ivy is like one of your most amazing makeup brands out there. I love them so much. I've worked with them from inception till date, so they jumped on this event like this, you know. Yeah, they are sponsoring with some of their makeup products as well. Jenny Ray Candles and Scents is also sponsoring. We're going to have scented candles from Jenny Ray. We're also going to have scented candles from Claire Marcus. Yes, Claire Marcus, my girl Cynthia, she is sponsoring with some candles also from Claire Marcus. We have Adan Edet. Adan Edet is also sponsoring with hair products. If you know, you know. Adan Edet like makes amazing hair products. Adan Edet is owned by ID Francis here on YouTube. Dash.ng is also sponsoring with their amazing scents, guys. Their candles, their diffusers, like okay. Another brand I'll be sponsoring is Mokolares. I've worked with her before. She sells amazing jewelry and she's going to be sponsoring this event, so look out for Mokolares stuff in your goodie bags as well. This event is also sponsored by my girl Miss Cakes, Misscakes.ng. You guys are going to have some sweet treats in your goodie bags courtesy of Miss Cakes, okay. Then we have Sian Scent. Sian Scent is owned by my darling friend Jennifer. She's going to be sponsoring this event with some scented candles as well. Super exciting. This event is also sponsored by Glendale Perfumery. I've worked with them in the past. They do like perfume oils, the most amazing perfume oils I've ever smelled, okay, and they'll be sponsoring with some perfume oils, so look forward to having some perfume oils in your goodie bags. All right, guys, I'm smiling so hard that here and here is paining me, and I'm not even finished. Natural Hair Rocks also sponsoring. They're going to be giving away a prize to one winner, so yay to that. Natural Hair Rocks. Then the Afro Beauty. The Afro Beauty is a retail hub for all your African owned beauty products. They'll be sponsoring with some vouchers and some discounts and all of that. Then Confetti Beauty will be sponsoring with some press-on nails as well. Amazing. And then we have Indini Craft Luxury. They do body oils, body butters, some really nice organic skin products, and yeah, guys, these are all the brands that are sponsoring my first ever A Day with Alma on Go. And if I tell you that I am not blown, my mind is not completely blown, I'm lying to you, okay. My mind is completely blown. We also have our decor sponsor Sona Events. She is going to be decorating our little cute space, all right, and she's an amazing human being. I love her so much. Video Cafe, where it's going to be happening, are also sponsoring with their space as well. Like, guys, this is going to be so amazing. So yes, like I said, we're going to have 3-course meals, fun games. There's going to be a Q&A session. The floor will be open for you to ask me any questions at all, whether it's content creation, whether it's whatever it is, and I will answer. There'll also be a guest appearance. I won't be mentioning who will be coming, but there'll be a guest appearance as well. Food, drinks, just dance, music, good vibes, okay, good vibes. I just want to have so much fun with 35 of you, to be honest. And I've had people reach out to me asking me why I didn't make this to be a 50 guest event, because they feel like 30 is too small, but it was already too late. By the time I realized that, it was already too late, so we just have to go with the flow with this one and then hope for a 2.0 series, you know, much later in the year. So like I said before, it is not a free event. Unfortunately, I cannot make this a free event. I mean, look at everything you're getting, the food you're eating, it has to be paid for and all of that. So I'm putting the fee at 20,000 naira each. So if you want a slot to attend this event, it's going to cost you only 20k, only 20,000 naira. I've had people reach out to me and tell me, those who I've actually confided in and told them how much I want to charge, and they're like, that's too small, it should be higher. But I really want many people to be able to afford this, and I want us to sell out in 24 hours or 48 hours. So yeah, it's gonna cost you 20,000 naira to attend this event, only 20k, and you can make transfers to, you know, I'm gonna put all the details in the description box and then maybe on the screen as well. So you just make a transfer to me and then send me a DM or an email to confirm your payment and your slots and all that. Easy peasy, simple and easy. All right, so yeah guys, that is everything. Those are all the details I'm giving you about this event for now. As things are changing with regards to this event, I'll let you guys know, but for now that is where we are at. So as I'm announcing this right now, also on Instagram the flyer would also be up, so just in case you want to go on IG and see the flyer, the sponsor logos and details for payments and all that, they'll also be on my Instagram page. And yeah guys, I'm so excited. Like, this has been such an easy process for me. I didn't think it was going to be this easy because I just had people come through for me, and I'm just so excited. I'm so happy and I cannot wait. So yes, I'm looking forward to seeing you watching me on the 5th of February here in Abuja. Let's have some fun, let's just enjoy ourselves on that day. And yeah guys, that's how I want to end today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, share, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
I want you right here, but you're all